Just a quick illustration of how a three-way switch leg works. The power goes down the black wire from the panel, switches over to the white wire designated by black tape because it becomes a hot wire in this scenario. Goes through the three-way switches, and if you click either three-way switch, the light will come off and on. This is a scenario with the power going to the light box. There is a second scenario where the power would be going to the first switch. In this instance, the white wire stays common and is not used as a hot wire. Similarly, if you switch either switch on or off, the lights go on and off from either location. Hope you've enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.